Today we'll show you how to set your Windows 11 password. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First go to here and go to setting and go to search and put password like this and go here. This is a modify or voter. This is a second. Okay, go here and click. This is icon. Okay, click and click to add it like ajouter with France like this. Okay, here you can put your new password like LEGUTO like this, and like it LEGUTO, and here you can put anything like LEGUTO. If you forget your password, you will see your password document, or you can do anything like my favorite color or my favorite channel. Okay, it's LEGUTO. When you forgot your password, just it is tip text you my favorite channel, you will put LEGUTO your password. Okay, just don't forget like subscribe, and thank you for watching.